Hey guys, in today's video we will explore the common financial mistakes that people make and offer practical solutions to help you avoid them. From overspending to not saving enough, we will cover a wide range of topics to help you better manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. This channel is dedicated to educating and empowering viewers with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed financial decisions. I believe that everyone can learn how to be financially savvy regardless of their current financial situation. Join me on this journey as we uncover the most common financial mistakes and provide actionable tips and strategies to help you avoid them. Subscribe to my channel now and never miss an episode. So without getting any further ado, let's get straight into the video. This is Anusha Kammath and welcome to my channel. Now, we are going to discuss the common financial mistakes and their solutions. Overspending. Spending more than you earn is a common mistake that can quickly lead to debt and financial instability. It's important to create a budget and stick to it, avoid unnecessary expenses and focusing on saving money for emergencies and long-term goals. Not saving for retirement. Many people neglect to save for retirement, assuming that they will be able to rely on social security and other sources of income. However, it's important to start saving as early as possible and to contribute regularly to retirement accounts such as 401ks or IRAs. Taking on too much debt. High levels of debt can be overwhelming and make it difficult to achieve financial goals. It's important to avoid taking on more debt than you can handle and to pay off debt as quickly as possible to avoid interest charges. Not having an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses such as car repairs or medical bills can put you a strain on your finances. It's important to have an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses to avoid going into debt in case of an emergency. Failing to invest. Investing is an important part of building long-term wealth. Failing to invest can mean missing out on potential returns and limiting your financial growth. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Not budgeting. Budgeting is an essential financial tool. Not having a budget can make it difficult to manage your finances and lead to overspending, debt, financial stress. A budget can help you keep track of your expenses and ensure you are living within your means. And that's a wrap. We have covered the top 6 financial mistakes that you should avoid if you want to achieve financial success. Remember, living within your means, creating a budget, saving for emergencies, paying off high interest debt, and understanding the risks of investing are all essential to building a strong financial foundation. By avoiding these mistakes and making smart financial decisions, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. I hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you have any questions or would like to share your financial tips, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.